Okay, so sometimes 5-gallon water jugs get really filthy inside, your water goes down in quality. It's terrible. These are Primo, which we can get refilled and drop them off for cleaning at Lowe's, but it's kind of expensive. I mean, not real expensive compared to buying a new bottle, but it's like $6 to get a refill. And for me, I don't think that's really always worth it. So I saw these videos where it talks about using rock salt to clean out the insides, and I used that method and it worked for a little bit, but it didn't have really good results that I was looking for. And I found the answer for us is some carbon activated charcoal. That's what I use now. And so this, you throw this in there, this is all lightweight and it can stick to the water particles that are in here and just like cling to it and not really move around too much. So I throw the rock salt on top of that and the carbon, and then you mix it up and just shake it and stuff. And that's been a great way to clean out anything I can't fit a brush in. And it's a really natural way and good. So the deal is I didn't want to use chlorine because chlorine can be bad for a lot of reasons. It's outlawed in the UK if nothing else, you know. But so anyways, humidifiers, little jugs, you know, anything that you don't have a long brush that's able to reach the bottom kind of deal. I found this works awesome.